Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to delete pictures on Facebook Messenger. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap the Messenger icon in the top right corner to open your chats. Now, select any conversation where you want to delete a picture. Once you're in the chat, find the photo you want to remove. Tap and hold on the picture until a menu appears. Select Delete from the options. You'll see a confirmation screen. Tap Delete again. Here's the important part. You can choose to delete the picture for everyone in the chat or just for yourself. Select whichever option works for you. And that's it. The picture is now deleted from your Facebook Messenger chat. You can repeat these same steps to remove other photos from any conversation. It's really that simple. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.